Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plant sweet potato slips in my Vego raised bed here with the frost covering, and I thought I would show you how we're going to do it so we can get a very successful harvest this fall. Let's get into it. If you're new to sweet potatoes and sweet potato slips, they are not seeds, they are shoots that grow from the sides of the potatoes. These are what you plant in order to grow your own sweet potatoes. So before you plant your sweet potatoes, you need to prepare your bed and soil. Sweet potatoes love loose, well-draining soil. In this Vego raised bed are filled with a mix of compost, garden soil, and a little sand, along with some perlite, vermiculite, and other amendments to help with the drainage and nutrient loss. You want the soil that's easy for roots to expand. That's how you get the big, beautiful sweet potatoes. So these slips, I didn't grow myself. I got them from Haas Tools or Grow Haas. And we're going to go ahead, I believe we got 12 of these. So we're going to go ahead and plant these now. And I'll show you how I do that. Now, first thing you want to do is to separate them, which is what I'm doing here. And we're going to plant these up to the root level, and all your roots are coming out here. And we're going to plant these about 12 to 18 inches apart from each other. So I'm just going to dig down into the soil with my hand, take the root and place it in, and backfill. Just like that, we have one planted. And go anywhere from 12 to 18 inches away and do another one. And we'll do one more. Now, we're going to go ahead and do that for all the rest of them and then come back. When you're planting your sweet potato slips, you want to bury them deep enough so that only the top leaves are sticking out. You want most of the stem underground because that's where the roots and eventually the sweet potatoes will form. Press the soil down lightly around each plant to secure it into place. Now, we have planted them, and now we're going to give them a nice, long, deep watering. For the first week, I'll be keeping the soil consistently moist while the slips get established. Once they are rooted, the sweet potatoes are actually pretty drought tolerant. So as you can see, and hopefully hear, the sprinkler system for this bed is now running, and we will give the vines a nice long deep watering. Now you want to make sure that your bed gets anywhere from 6 to 8 hours of sun daily, and this one does that just fine. As the vines start to grow, they'll spread out and eventually fill the bed completely. You can gently guide them, but they're pretty much going to take off and go out on their own. In about 90 to 120 days, my sweet potatoes will be ready. That's when the leaves will start to turn yellow and die back. And that's when the magic happens, digging up my own homegrown sweet potatoes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some out of it. Leave me a comment. What type of sweet potatoes are you guys planting this year? If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. This is the type of food that I can grow by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. I'll see you in the next one.